Mango Energy High-Efficiency Low-Noise EVI Air Source Heat Pump adopts the world's leading two-stage compression technology with enhanced vapor injection. In the circulation of the refrigerant system, the flow rate of the refrigerant is increased through the intermediate air supply. In this way, the operation stability and heating capacity of the unit are improved in the low-temperature environment. It can work at -25 degrees. For floor heating, output of hot water of 55 degrees. Have COP with more than 2.0.